Shalom, shalom. This is the video I'm breaking down why keeping your plans to yourself can be one of the smartest moves you'll ever make. Not everyone needs to know your next steps. Silence can protect your peace, your progress, and your purpose. Whether you're on a personal journey, building a business, or leveling up in silence, this message is for you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you believe in moving in silence? And has this worked for you? Is that you? All right, guys. I've been trying to record this little video forever, right? I recorded a whole intro, and it was in silence. My mic wasn't on, so I got no mic right now. All right? Let's tap into this video real quick. I'm sure you guys would love this video. You would definitely enjoy it. You enjoy it. If you don't, well, you got
some of you are in a season where you gotta move in silence. The biggest mistake I made in 2022 through 2024, when God was taking me to a whole nother level, was that I assumed people would be happy for me. Your progress exposes their insecurities. This is why you got enemies that you don't even know about. This is why you find out people didn't like you for years and you can't even figure out what you did to them. I'm at that point in my life. I've been trying my best to make friends, trying to help certain people, trying to do certain things, and I've been trying to figure out what did I do to some of these people, and I figured it out. I won. There are certain people who like you long as you under them. But when God starts elevating you, I'm not saying that I'm all that. It's just certain people that like you better where they found you. Michael! Yep. Nehemiah was working quietly, but the moment his plans were known, his enemies arose. Not everyone can handle your next level. Some people like you better broken.
How y'all feel about that? Tell me how y'all feel about that. I want to hear it. How y'all feel about that? Talk to me. Definitely moving in silence is powerful, cause you can have individuals around you that definitely they mean you well, but their mindset haven't reached the level that you're at, so they can't fathom what you're saying or the level that you're trying to go to. Your mindset plays a very important role with everything in life. Moves. Some people do it, some people just talk about it. Don't talk about it, be about it. You know what I'm saying? But it's so true. You can have your mom, our parents, they're different. They come from most of us. I'm not saying all of you guys, but let's speak on my older aunties, parents. They come from the worker mindset, right? Which is cool. There's nothing wrong with having a job at all. For me, only having a job is an issue, right? But to them, taking that risk and starting a business, the first thing they think about is the negatives. The negative. Wow. You tell your parents what you're about to do, they automatically think about the problem, right? Because that's just what they know, right? That's what they know. You can't even blame them. They mean you well. They want to see you be successful, but to them, they can't see that far. So staying in silence is definitely something I practice. I've spoken about certain things before, and then when stuff don't go right, I said, see. But everything comes down to your mindset, right? Everything comes down to your mindset. Silence. It's in the Bible. It's in the Bible. It's all over the Bible. Let me run through some scriptures. Let me see if I can run through some scriptures real quick. I know don't let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. Let me think. Dang, my brain blank right now. Hold up. Hold on. I can't even think of nothing. But I'm sure it's in Proverbs somewhere. But yeah, it's in the Bible, man. It's in the Bible. Stay silent. What y'all think about that? Let me know how y'all feel about that video. Okay, guys, I wasn't done. I left the truck, but I said I got to tell them some more stories, some more examples, man. So look, I had a good friend of mine. He's in the trucking industry, right? I got two friends in the trucking industry. One say, Man, trucking industry is doomed. One say, man, I'm loving it. It's the most money I ever made, right? So it's all about your perspective, where you coming from. So, like I've been looking up. Not saying I'm gonna join the trucking industry again. I'm gonna have my own operator, but I've been paying attention. I'm in the industry, so I pay attention to everything. If you really look around, it's a lot of truckers saying, man, the trucking industry is doomed, right? What is doomed? A lot of the guys that's saying it's not good is those 20-year guys. I get it. Y'all was making buku cash. I get it. But the newcomers saying, yo, this is it. I'm rich. You might not be rich. But to you, that's good. To the old trucker, that's not good. It's all good. Long as you can cover your overhead and have your profit and all that, long as them numbers make sense, it's good to you. So don't listen to people. Don't tell anybody what you're about to do. If you want to start a trucking company, if you want to start a trucking, do it. It's all about how you see it. It's all about how you see it. I know me. I'm a go-getter. I'm a grinder. I don't care what's going on right now. Mindset. Come back to mindset. I don't care what's going on right now. If I want to start another trucking company, I'll do it and I'll be successful. I don't care what's going on. I don't care what's going on. I know I'm going. Power in the tongue. Power in the tongue. I know it. I overstand the tongue. I overstand mindset. Mindset. As you speak it, so it be. I mean, you become what you think about. If you think you're gonna fail, your business is gonna fail. Period. That's it. So it's that simple, guys. It's really that simple, man. Everything comes down to your mindset and back to being silenced. Everything, it's all spiritual. Call me what you want. It's all spiritual. It's all spiritual, man. So like, keep some of them things to yourself, man. Because there's somebody out there that's hating on you. I hope it don't work. I wish it don't work. They putting that in the atmosphere, man. But that's it, guys. All right, I ain't gonna give y'all no more. This is an exciting topic for me, just because this how I live. This is what I live by, and I want y'all to live the same way too. Yo, yeah, man. Hopefully I enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. Leave a comment. Let me know how your experience with things like this and how you feel about it. Do you think it worked? Do you not think it worked? Either way, guys. All right, I'm talking too much. It's your boy Landon. I am the man. Boom.